All right, let's dive into the world of graphing calculators. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or a professional, having the right tools can make all the difference. Today, I'm going to share some of the best free graphing calculators that you can start using right now. First up, we've got Desmos. Desmos is an incredibly versatile and user-friendly graphing calculator. It's available online and as a mobile app. What makes Desmos stand out is its ability to handle complex equations and its interactive features, making it perfect for both classroom settings and individual study. Next, let's talk about GeoGebra. GeoGebra is another fantastic tool that's not only a graphing calculator, but also offers a suite of mathematics tools. It's great for visualizing concepts and offers a range of activities for different education levels. Plus, it's open source and free. If you're looking for something straightforward and easy to use, then MetaCalculator is your go-to. This web-based calculator covers everything from basic arithmetic to complex graphing. It's perfect for quick calculations and doesn't require any downloads. Another great option is the Graph.tk. This online graphing calculator is simple but powerful. It's ideal for quick graph plotting and small projects. Because it's lightweight, it loads quickly and works smoothly even on older devices. Last but not least, there's Wolfram Alpha. While it's more than just a graphing calculator, it's a powerful computational engine that can handle a wide range of math problems. Its graphing capabilities are robust, and it's a great resource for teachers and students alike. So there you have it, Desmos, GeoGebra, MetaCalculator, Graph.tk, and Wolfram Alpha. These tools are all free and can make your life a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools.